Lesson 70. Let's speak English with Toto. Listen, write, read, and repeat. Pet. Dog. It is a dog. It is a pet. This dog is a pet. Cat. It is a cat. It is a pet. This cat is a pet. Fish. It is a fish. It is a pet. This fish is a pet. Fish can be kept in an aquarium. Parrot. It is a parrot. It is a pet. This parrot is a pet. Parrot can be kept at home. Iguana. It is an iguana. It is a pet. This iguana is a pet. Iguana can be kept at home. Monkey. It is a monkey. It is a pet. Monkey can be kept at home. It is a snake. It is a pet snake. Snake can be kept at home. Hamster. It is a hamster. It is a pet hamster. Hamster can be kept at home. Rabbit. It is a rabbit. It is a pet rabbit. Rabbit can be kept at home. Hello, James. Hi, Emma. James, do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Yes, Emma, I have a pet. What kind of pet do you have? What kind of pet do you have? I have a dog. I have a dog. And you, do you have a pet? And you, do you have a pet? Yes, I also have a pet. Yes, I also have a pet. What kind of pet do you have? I have a cat. What kind of pet do you have? I have a pet monkey. What kind of pet do you have? I have a pet parrot. What kind of pet do you have? I have a pet rabbit. What kind of pet do you have? I have a pet iguana. See you soon. Next lessons.